You don't take your wife and kid,
You abandon them?
Welcome to our comfort zone. Hi, my name is Andy. This is my wife, Inessa. This is my daughter, Isabel. Why do we choose to live in this area? I guess it's because of the location. Throughout all the decades I've been staying in the East.
Why I wanted to live here is because the first time I stepped into this apartment is the loft. It has always appealed to me and I love it. When I always look at Manhattan style, this is something, a dream home for me.
Philosophy of the home is actually no built-in furnitures. I don't really appreciate built-in furnitures in the sense that I like to move my things around. So space planning is very important for me. I rather spend the money on space planning, where the flow. So we keep trying to correct our furnitures, we move, we shift bit by bit, just to try to get the flow. So when people come in, instantly you'll feel comfortable. Unlike some homes, sometimes you get funny corners and all. So we try to work around it. We have corners that are also sometimes a little bit difficult, but we manage to work around it.
We spend very minimal renovation.
Very little.
Very minimal.
Very
Compared for a value of the apartment, probably less than 30,000 when we spent basically knocking down the upper bedroom. It was a door. We hacked it up to have a French door instead. And then we had spent a small tidy sum on my daughter's room in terms of the loft.
I love it. Having the extra layer of like the loft space, right, gave me a bit more intimacy because I share a room with my auntie.
I think there's a lot of things that are very precious to me. When I collect something, I buy something, I make sure that I truly like it for the long haul. So like artworks, a lot of my vinyls, I collected since when I was in secondary school. All the way till today, I'm still playing the same vinyl. Everything is all from 20 odd years back. A lot of the chairs are from a lot of designers through the years. I always prefer things that has history, has a substance. Along the way in my work, I buy things that I need. So like my Mamiya, like my Horseman, my Phase 1 digital bag. All this I bought along through the decades, which has helped me throughout my career. That brings a whole structure of memory, like my first camera, my second camera, my third camera. That has become part of my collection as well. These are all very precious to me. I'll take my watches.
You don't take your wife and kid,
You abandon them?
No, I mean, they will take themselves away, right? The difference between fire and home insurance, okay. Initially, I didn't really know there was a difference. I thought it was the same. The home insurance that is important is especially the upstairs, the patio, where the open spaces, the waterproofing, the roof and all this. If the water were to ever leak into the home, it will destroy our furniture and our belongings. But of course, we try to prevent that as much as possible. And this is the little element that we are very concerned about each and every time when it rains. A favorite part of the house is my balcony. I love the balcony a lot. That's where I like to watch my sunset and then my drinks over there.
Working from home suddenly has changed the way we live in the house as well. My study home is at the top and it was my working corner there. So I spend at least 9 to 10 hours every day there. So it's my favorite corner right now, yes. The most important part of the whole house, I think, is the dining area where everyone convenes and have a good family time eating and talking at the same time. Be it 15 minutes when she eats so quickly, but it's at least 15 minutes of her time that we get together. Yeah.
Well, for now, yes, it is my dream home. I think I'm just very contented to find such a lovely space that is like, I always love to come home.